Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher in my channel. Today, I will make a revise on Connect Plus, on your book Connect Plus. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, last class, I explained some of this unit, part of this unit. But today I will make a revise of the whole unit in this booklet. I will leave the link of this booklet below the video to download it and answer it. This booklet is easy to understand it because the book, I think the book is full of information. Here is we make spots about the important expressions and vocabularies that's important for us. Okay, so here we spot on the important things that we study only, okay, in this booklet. Let's continue our unit today. Here is we have some vocab: trade, sports event, compete and competition. Compete is the verb and competition is the noun. Here we have distance, throw and throwing, middle, measure, race, win, where, winner. Here we have some expression uses in this unit, which is come second, support a friend, try harder, do exercise. Here when we say exercise, we must put do. Warm up. Here is warm up. This is warm up. Okay. In last class we have a warm up, but I can't know it correct or no. Here we have warm up. Worried about. So here we have warm up, worried about. Record. How often, how far, how fast, how long. This is the expressions of how often. Ask about the times that we do something. How far, ask about the distance. How fast, ask about the distance that we go, that we run with. How long, ask about time. Okay, let's continue the rest of this unit. Here we have rules of to be a good friend. What is this rules that we must do it to be a good friend? Never make fun of your friends. It isn't kind to laugh at people, like bullying. Okay, bullying. Okay, this is called bullying. Okay, never tell your friends secrets to others. Spread remorse about your friends. Never pressure your friend to do something he or she doesn't want to do. Not say do something and he or she doesn't want to do this thing. Okay, listen to your friend's ideas. Support your friend. If you make your friend sad, it's good to apologize. Saying sorry is important. Have fun together. Okay, have fun together. Here is think and say. I like jumping. I like throwing. Okay. Here we have note like plus verb plus ing form. This is the expression. Like plus gerund must be followed by gerund. Like what? Like playing, like reading. So here we have gerund. Okay. I explain plus the future simple tense, and I will say to you that will must be followed by the infinitive form. This is in affirmative form, and this is in the negative form, and we give examples last class. Here we have a comparative adjective that we explained also last class. The comparative must be comparative note by adding er to the adjective, adding the and est to the superlative. This is for one syllable, and two syllables we use more adjective than, and in the comparative in the more than one syllable we use more adjective than. In the superlative we use the most and adding the most adjective. Okay, the most say the most and add the adjective after followed by most. Okay, here we have some conjunctions. We know it last class. Let's know it together here. Here we have because, and, or, but, so. Let's know every conjunction of these conjunctions, the function of each one. Okay, the function of each one. Here we have and when we use and to join sentence or noun like this: I like jumping and throwing, or to shoot choice like this: I don't like jumping or throwing. To show contrast, I like running, but I don't. I'm not very fast. To show the result of something. To show the result of some. To show the result of something like this. He has a race next. He has a race next week. So he trains every day. Because to show the cause of something. It's hard to run today. Why? Because it's hot. So I say it's hard to run. Why? Because why is not doing something? Because it's hot. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise of this unit, which we pronounce S and K, followed by I, E, or Y, like this. City, center, cycle. Pronounce as S. City, center, and cycle. Here pronounce C as K, like this. Cold, cut, music. And we say cat only. We see but pronounce as K. Let's answer the activity related to Unit 1. Dina can space ball 8.5 meters. Can do what for ball? Here the ball. So can jump, wrong. Can measure, wrong. It will be can throw the ball. Okay. Some athletes space the race. Here is some athletes what compete the race. Here is compete because they compete the race, not track, not middle. It will be compete. Space but for telling secret, for telling secret. Here telling secret. What he do to correct the mistake, or to correct the mistake. What he apologized. For telling my secret. Never make space of your friend. Never make fun. Who win the what middle? Never space remorse. Never spread remorse. Let's go to the grammar related to this part. Who will be there? Here is we have the can put faster, wrong, fast, stronger, the fastest. Why? Because here is superlative, the fastest. So the answer it will be in the middle. I will. So will followed by what? By the infinitive form, like what? I will buy a new dress next Sunday. So it will here it will be I will buy. I like what? I like jumping. Here is we have what? We have ing form because like followed by what? By gerund. Jake jumped space then friend. So here we have the then. So when I see then without thinking, I put what? Er, higher than. They don't like ice cream space cake. They don't like ice cream, or here is or cake. So both don't like ice cream or cake. So here I put or here, not and, not but. It will be I don't like ice cream or cake. How? Here is or like this. Okay, so it's right. Okay, here we have or. Let's continue. How space do you do sports? I do sports twice a week. So I ask about what? How many times? So it will be when we have how many times, as we know it in the present simple present simple. We took it in the present simple. How often? So the answer it will be how often. She played piano. Space she couldn't think. Here is two sentences and contrast. So I select what? I select but here. It's called today. I wear my jacket. So here is it's called today. So we say because no, it's not. So I will do it and can say if the sentence is correct or not. It's called today because I wear my jacket. Is it a correct sentence? No, it's and your ears can't relax it to it. So the answer it will be it's cold today, so I will wear my jacket. Why here? Because here is the result of cold. I wear my jacket. So when we want to make it because what I can do it, I say I will wear my jacket because it's cold today. So I give the reason, that way of wearing my jacket. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this exercise. Here we have subject plus verb plus object. This is the rule that we know it from grade 1 till grade 3 here. Okay, and we take it till grade 6. Okay, here we have a subject, verb, object. So I answer 3 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have, first of all, I search about the verb, then, subject, verb, and object. When I make a question form, what I can do, I replace the verb instead of subject. Let's do the exercise. Let's go to do this exercise together. It will be a good competition. So is the answer, it will be. I would like to say something grade 3. Some of you making this question by numbering the words long. You can write the sentence as it is, as we write it here. Why? To know how to write the sentence, not to say 1, 2, 3 is wrong. Okay, you must write the sentence to know how to write the sentence correctly. Okay. It will be a good competition. The answer, it will be a good competition. It will be a good competition. Okay. So the next one. Happy who be will tomorrow. So who will be happy to who? The answer, it will be who will be happy tomorrow. Who will be who will be happy tomorrow? Happy tomorrow. And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. I would like to say, if you have a question, don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence here. Don't forget to put it at the end of the sentence. Remorse, friends, your spread about. So it will be never spread. Never spread remorse about your friend. It's wrong. It's not yours. Don't spread. Never spread remorse about your friends. Never spread. Here is a mistake. Okay, not yours. Never spread remorse about your friend. Remorse about your friend. About your friend. I put full stop at the end of the sentence here. Okay. Here is, I answered 3 of them. I will leave the rest to do it. You can know the rule and you can do it by yourself. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have the conjunctions that we know during the unit. Let's do it. Here we have so. As we use to connect the sentence by result. Okay, there is result. So what can I say? It's cold. I say it's cold. So I will wear my jacket. It's cold. So I will wear. So I will. I put full stop here. Some will say after before we put here is full stop. So I will write it again. Okay, I will write it again to be correct, to be corrected. Okay, here we say it's called. Stop. So I will. We can write it as it is, or can write it as abbreviation. So I will wear my jacket. my jacket. When I tell you use because here, what can we do it with because? With the conjunction because, I can say I wear my jacket. So I tell the reason of wearing my jacket. I wear my jacket because it's what it's called. If we say we replace so by because, okay, not so. The answer here it would be he won't jump. He won't jump. Won't jump. This is the abbreviation of will. The abbreviation of will not written like this. This is the abbreviation of will not written like this. Okay. To know, some of you can't know this is the abbreviation of will not. Okay. Here is he will not jump hard. He will not jump hard. So I make here negative form. Okay, jump hard. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Because some of you saying Miss Iman negative, we can't put the question mark. Yes, because negative is like a statement. We must put full stop after at the end of the sentence. When we ask a question, the question is the only thing that I put question mark on. Okay, here is we say yes, Ali, go to the park. So here I make what? I make a replacement. I invert or make a replacement by replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject, like this. Will Ali go to the park? Will Ali go to the park? It could be will Ali go to the park? To the park. And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, I think now we know how to use the conjunctions, and this question is easy to write, to do it in the exam. Okay, it's not difficult. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have, it's a what? It's a middle here. It will be here a middle. It's a middle. There are some athletes in the track. The lesson is about the track, so it will be the track. Today here we make a quick revise and finished unit 1 in Connect Plus. Next class I will start unit 2. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.